In this video tutorial I will show you Dacia and Renault Duster 2010 to 2016 fuse box location and diagram. The first fuse box is located inside the car on the left side of the dashboard. You can find fuse box diagram in the video description below. The second fuse panel is located in the engine compartment, on the left side of the car under that plastic cover. You just have to remove that plastic cover. You can find fuse box diagram in the video description below. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.